This is Vlog ni Glenn.
Hi photographers! Today, we will learn when to start and stop taking baby photos. Baby photography is the general term for taking pictures of babies from birth until 1 year old. However, the journey does not literally start when the baby comes out to this world. For a more intimate and complete cycle, we start shooting while the baby is still inside the mother's womb. Stage 1. Maternity Photography. Maternity photography has become popular with parents wanting to immortalize the moment before the baby is born and while the mom's body is changing. These sessions are also called belly or bump sessions, which may include family members. This type of shoot is usually themed and conceptualized to add some magic touch to the scene. Stage 2. Birth photography. Birth photography begins when the mother goes into labor and continues through the actual birth and delivery. This goes then to a documentary type of shoot. These sessions can be long while being physically and emotionally challenging. Since babies come out in surprise, the photographer needs to be on call and always ready during the expected birth month. Stage 3. Newborn photography. Newborn photography takes place when the baby is around 3 to 14 days old. This can be done in a studio or the client's preferred venue. This includes wrapping, posing, and props where safety is the #1 element. Photographers doing this type of shoot should be very careful. Stage 4. Milestone Sessions. Milestone sessions are at different intervals as the baby grows. Photos we see on social media where parents celebrating their babies turning 1 month old, 2 months old, 3 months old, and beyond are examples of milestone sessions. This shows how much the baby has grown. Common time frames for milestone sessions are when the baby is at 3 months, 6 months, and 9 months old. But it always depends on the client. You might also hear this session called as tummy sessions for 3 or 6 months, or setter sessions for 6 months to 1 year old babies. Stage 5. The last stop in baby photography journey is the 1 year old pictures. This can be a mixture of post and lifestyle images. A common way to celebrate the first birthday is with a cake smash. The baby is presented with a cake and allowed whatever the baby does to it. Super fun! If you like this content, comment, share, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do not also forget to click the bell button so that you will be notified once new videos are uploaded. Thank you.